So let's get straight into the video. As the cleaner, I'm using Super Clean diluted 10:1, which you can purchase locally, with a detail buddy brush as my brush to agitate the door panel, as you can clearly see. Now here, typically I don't care and don't need for this amount of suds to actually come out onto the door panel, just naturally because of the weather and because of how saturated the brush was. These suds naturally formed. I know there's a bunch of YouTube videos out there that basically have the entire vehicle covered in foam throughout the whole process. I don't really care about that. And I'm using a detail buddy brush here instead of my normal brushes that I use, just because the panel wasn't that bad, so I didn't need to go any more aggressive. So just very light agitation across the entire door panel at once was all that's needed. Now sometimes I will break up the door panel in sections depending if there's cloth material or if the door panel is too hot and it's gonna dry up too quick before I get to the entire panel. But because it was not hot, it wasn't cold, but it wasn't hot, and the solution was able to sit there without drying up, I had enough time to go through the entire door panel in one go to clean it all up. Now if it was much dirtier, then I probably would go with a bit more of an aggressive brush, or bigger brush at least, but in this scenario it wasn't needed. Now because you can see the solution in the crevices, I'll use either a separate dry detail buddy brush to get that solution out. So as you can see here, I'm actually using a bristle brush, and if that doesn't happen, I'll simply just blow into the crevice to get it out. Sometimes I'll get the Metro Sidekick, but if I'm just on the fly, I'll just quickly blow it out just to get the remaining solution out of those crevices. So I'll either use a brush like you're seeing there, or if it's just quicker, more effective, whatever, I'll just quickly blow it out and keep it going. So for cleaning door panels, let's say all four, I'll probably use around 3.5 to 4 towels, depending on how saturated the towel gets with the solution and how dirty the door panels actually are. Next, I just want to show you guys another plastic part that I can clean, which same process. I'm gonna use Super Clean diluted 10:1, agitate it with a brush and wipe it down. And you can essentially use this same process across the entire vehicle on the plastic surfaces, since it's all literally the same material. Keep in mind the weather and the condition. Now unfortunately I didn't get any afters. I'll be posting the full length video soon, but that'll be it for now. I'll see you on the next one.